This is the ideal spot for you to be if you are looking for a solution to the visual troubles that you are experiencing. Simple herbs can be your eye's best friends in this day and age of digital technology, and you won't believe it. These 8 potent herbs are not only culinary treats but also ancient cures for maintaining sharp and clear vision. They may be found right from the vibrant field of nature to your very own kitchen. With the help of these herbs, you might be able to protect your eyes from the negative effects of age, pollution, and screen time by including them into your daily routine. Therefore, have a seat and put your feet up as we delve into the natural realm of eye care. Here, we will guide you through the process of putting these techniques into action right away in order to achieve results quickly. By the time you reach the conclusion of this video, you will have everything you need to know to harness the power of nature for the sake of your eye health. Please click the subscribe box before we begin so that you can receive further health-related videos that can alter your life. Without your assistance, we would not be able to continue to offer free critical information to people who are looking to improve their health. Now let's get started with this. Number 1. Saffron. Not only is saffron well known for its brilliant color and flavor, but it also has important health advantages, notably for the development of the eyes. These powerful carotenoids, crocin and saffronal, have been the subject of a great deal of research because of their significance in maintaining healthy eyes. Crocin and saffronal are the source of its abundant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capabilities. In order to protect the eyes, it is believed that these substances neutralize damaging free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a critical element in the development of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is the primary cause of visual loss among the elderly. The potential of saffron to improve vision in patients with age-related macular degeneration has been highlighted by research. One of the most important studies ever conducted, which was published in the Journal of Pharmacological Research, indicated that taking saffron on a regular basis could result in significant enhancements to one's peripheral vision. According to the findings of the study, the antioxidant properties of saffron have the potential to protect the photoreceptor cells in the eye, which would result in improved visual performance and a slower progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. In addition, the anti-inflammatory properties of saffron contribute to the vision protective benefits it offers, which may help to reduce the influence of inflammation on the development and progression of eye illnesses. Saffron's components have been researched for their capacity to improve retinal function and protect against oxidative damage, showing hope for a wider spectrum of eye disorders. Saffron's therapeutic potential extends beyond age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Saffron supplementation has the potential to improve blood flow to the retina and reduce oxidative stress, both of which are important factors in maintaining overall eye health and preventing vision impairment. Number 2. Bilberry. Bilberries, which are closely related to both blueberries and cranberries, are lauded for the high levels of anthocyanin that they contain. Anthocyanin is a type of flavonoid that possesses powerful antioxidant capabilities. Not only do these dark blue pigments give bilberries their distinctive hue, but they also impart a wide range of health benefits, particularly with regard to the development and maintenance of healthy eyes. Free radicals are unstable chemicals that can cause oxidative damage to many components of the eye, including the retina and the lens. Anthocyanins have been demonstrated to be able to help neutralize free radicals, according to a study conducted in the scientific community. Oxidative stress is a known contributor to the development of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, which are the primary causes of vision impairment and blindness in those who are in their later years. The antioxidant properties of bilberry are only one of the many reasons why it is beneficial to the eyes. Several studies have demonstrated that bilberry extract has the potential to enhance night vision and facilitate the process of adjusting to darkness. Rhodopsin is a pigment that is found in the retina and plays an important function in enabling us to see in low light conditions. This ability of the herb to replenish rhodopsin is the reason for this. Additionally, the effect that bilberry has on blood circulation is yet another one of the ways that it contributes to the maintenance of healthy eyes. An increase in the blood flow to the eyes guarantees a consistent supply of oxygen and nutrients, both of which are necessary for preserving the health of the tissues of the eye and enhancing the individual's ability to see well. The effectiveness of bilberry in maintaining healthy eyes has been demonstrated through a series of clinical trials and research studies. The symptoms of eye tiredness that are associated with the use of visual display terminals were shown to be greatly reduced by supplementation with bilberry extract, according to the findings of a study that was published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health, and Aging. After taking Bilberry supplements, the participants reported experiencing less eye strain and an overall improvement in their eyesight. This highlights the potential benefits of Bilberry for individuals who spend a significant amount of time in front of electronic devices. Number 3. Biloba Ginkgo Tree. The traditional Chinese medicine has made use of the Ginkgo biloba tree, which is considered to be one of the oldest living tree species. This practice dates back thousands of years. In addition to flavonoids and terpenoids, the leaves of this plant contain a variety of other substances that are responsible for its beneficial effects on health. Among these, the enhancement of blood flow and circulation stands out, particularly in relation to the health of the eyes. Enhanced blood circulation ensures that the eye receives the necessary amount of oxygen and nutrients, which in turn helps to maintain its function and protects it from further damage. There has been a lot of interest in the scientific community on the protective properties of Ginkgo biloba against glaucoma, which is a disorder that is characterized by elevated pressure in the eye and can lead to vision loss. There is a correlation between decreased blood supply to the optic nerve and the advancement of glaucoma. Because of its potential to increase circulation, Ginkgo biloba may therefore have a protective advantage. Ginkgo biloba extract may be able to repair pre-existing visual field damage in some people who have glaucoma, according to research that was published in the Journal of Glaucoma. This may provide some patients with glaucoma with some hope for a treatment for this difficult condition. Furthermore, the antioxidant capabilities of Ginkgo biloba add to the benefits it provides to eye health by scavenging free radicals. Ginkgo biloba is protective against oxidative stress, which is a risk factor for a number of eye illnesses, including age-related macular degeneration, AMD. In addition, the anti-inflammatory characteristics that it possesses play a part in eye health, as they have the potential to lessen the likelihood of eye inflammation and to promote general ocular well-being. Number 4. Chamomile. Chamomile is a unique ingredient that contributes to eye health. It is generally recognized for the calming and soothing effects that it possesses. Additionally, chamomile has qualities that are beneficial to the eyes, particularly those that are anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant in nature. One of the therapeutic properties of chamomile is its capacity to ease eye irritation and inflammation. Chamomile includes flavonoids and terpenoids, both of which contribute to its therapeutic effects. Compresses made from chamomile have been used for centuries to treat a variety of eye conditions, including conjunctivitis, eye tiredness, and irritation. Because of its anti-inflammatory characteristics, it relieves discomfort by reducing swelling and redness, which are both symptoms of inflammation. Additionally, the antibacterial properties of chamomile can assist in the prevention of infections that may have an impact on the health of the eyes. It is widely used in herbal therapy, which lends credence to the suggestion that chamomile could be useful in the treatment of eye disorders. The effects of chamomile on eye health have been the subject of a limited number of clinical investigations. However, anecdotal evidence and its long history of use suggest that it may have potential benefits. Because of its mild action, it is excellent for sensitive areas such as the eyes, and it provides a natural therapy that may both soothe and protect the eyes from the effects of environmental stressors such as pollution. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid are two of the powerful antioxidants that may be found in rosemary, a shrub that is especially well known for the aromatic properties it contains. These substances significantly contribute to the process of neutralizing free radicals, which in turn protects the cells of the body from the damaging effects of oxidative stress. This protection extends to the delicate tissues of the eyes. The development of a number of eye disorders, such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, is significantly influenced by oxidative stress. Rosemary's antioxidants help to maintain healthy eyes by reducing the amount of damage caused by oxidative stress. The use of rosemary has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood circulation, in addition to the antioxidant characteristics it possesses. It is crucial for the health of the eye to have improved blood flow, since this guarantees that the eye receives the necessary amount of oxygen and nutrients, which in turn supports the eye's functions and protects it from diseases. In addition, improved circulation helps in the elimination of waste products and toxins from the tissues of the eye, which is another way in which it promotes eye health. In addition, rosemary has health benefits that include improving one's cognitive abilities. Cognitive function plays a role in both the processing of visual information and the overall health of the eyes, despite the fact that this may appear to be indirectly related to eye health. Rosemary may facilitate the maintenance of the brain's capacity to process visual information in an effective manner, so indirectly promoting eye health. This is because rosemary helps to promote cognitive functioning. Number 6. The spice turmeric. When it comes to culinary and medical traditions, turmeric is an indispensable ingredient since it includes curcumin, a molecule that possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. In the context of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other illnesses that are characterized by inflammation and oxidative stress, the impact that curcumin plays in eye health is particularly relevant. Through its ability to modulate inflammatory pathways and neutralize free radicals, curcumin has the potential to assist in the protection of the delicate tissues of the eye from degradation. The potential of curcumin to prevent and manage age-related macular degeneration has been recognized by scientific investigations. As one of the key processes that contribute to the development of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, its antioxidant function is essential in the fight against oxidative stress. Because chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other degenerative eye disorders, curcumin's ability to decrease inflammation also plays an important role in the fight against AMD. Additional research has been conducted to investigate the possible benefits of curcumin for eye health. One of these benefits is the ability to protect against diabetic retinopathy, which is a consequence of diabetes that influences the eyes. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, curcumin may be able to assist in the reduction of vascular damage and oxidative stress that are linked with this illness. This demonstrates the wide range of applications that turmeric can have in promoting positive eye health. Number 7. The herb fennel. In addition to being a gastronomic joy, fennel is a nutritional powerhouse that is especially excellent for eye health. Its characteristic licorice flavor makes it a particular favorite among chefs. Its composition is abundant in vitamin A, an essential component that is well known for the vision-enhancing capabilities it possesses. Vitamin A is a crucial component in the maintenance of healthy vision, particularly in low-light environments. It also plays a significant role in the prevention of night blindness and dry eyes. Therefore, it helps to ensure that the retina is functioning correctly, which in turn contributes to strong visual acuity. An abundance of antioxidants, including vitamin C and a variety of flavonoids, can be found in fennel in addition to vitamin A. Protection against oxidative stress, a condition that can develop to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, is provided by these antioxidants. The imbalance that occurs in the body between free radicals and antioxidants is what causes oxidative stress, which ultimately results in harm to the cells it contains. Fennel contains antioxidants that serve to neutralize free radicals, so protecting the eyes from the harm that might be caused by them. Several studies have shed light on the role that antioxidants play in lowering the likelihood of developing eye disorders. A diet that is rich in antioxidants, for instance, has been shown to greatly reduce the chance of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. The contribution that fennel makes to this antioxidant defense is therefore quite beneficial for the purpose of preserving your eye health and reducing the progression of these disorders. Number 8. Dandelion. Even though it is a common weed, dandelion is a nutritional powerhouse that is rich in vitamins and minerals that are needed for maintaining eye health, particularly the health of the retina. Dandelion is something that is sometimes disregarded. It is important to note that dandelion greens are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are concentrated in the retina and play an important role in protecting the eyes from the detrimental effects of blue light and oxidative damage. Through their ability to neutralize free radicals and filter out damaging light frequencies, these antioxidants play a crucial role in lowering the risk of developing chronic eye illnesses such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Dandelion is an excellent source of vitamin A, which is an important ingredient for maintaining healthy vision. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin. In addition to promoting the health of the cornea and the conjunctival membranes, vitamin A is essential for the preservation of good eyesight, particularly in low light circumstances. Vitamin A is also essential for maintaining good eyesight. In addition, dandelion is a source of vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which are antioxidants that contribute further to the health of the eyes. Vitamin C, for example, has been demonstrated to lessen the likelihood of developing cataracts, and vitamin E acts as a factor in the prevention of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Additionally, the mineral component of dandelion, which includes zinc, exhibits positive effects on the eyes. In addition to playing a role in the metabolism of cells, Zinc is an essential component of a wide variety of enzymes that are required for proper eye function. Zinc levels that are adequate can help protect against night blindness, and they also play a role in lowering the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. The ability of herbs to protect and improve our eyesight is indisputable, and as we come to the end of our journey through the Garden of Vision Health, it is more apparent than ever before. An assortment of herbs, ranging from bilberry to fennel, each possesses a distinct collection of advantages that can be of assistance in addressing the challenges that our eyes encounter in the contemporary environment. Through the incorporation of these natural treasures into our everyday lives, we not only demonstrate our commitment to our vision, but we also demonstrate our commitment to a holistic approach to health and well-being. Remember that maintaining a healthy balance between nutrition, lifestyle, and routine care is the most important factor in ensuring long-term eye health. So why not get started right away? It will be to the benefit of your eyes. Don't forget to give this guide a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to receive other information about natural health remedies if you found it to be informative. It is estimated that more than 90% of those who are watching this have not subscribed to this channel. If you want to assist someone you care about in gaining a better understanding of the world, the first step could be to subscribe to the publication. Additionally, if you are anxious to delve even further into the realm of natural healing, our subsequent video is now waiting for you. Click through to continue your path toward a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we hope that you will be by our side for the next one.